Spirit Tower, Cirrus 594 Mike, holding short at 8 right, ready for departure.
November 594 Mike, Spirit Tower, turn right southbound for now. I'll call your on-course turn in the air. Runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff. We'll turn southbound, 594 Mike.
November 143 Romeo Juliet, fly runway heading, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 8 right, fly runway heading, 3 Romeo Juliet.
Gateway 180, runway 8 right, you are clear to land if I didn't say that.
Right, 8 right, clear to land, gateway 180.
November 64657 Spirit Tower, runway 8 right at Charlie, line up and wait, and when you're ready for your roll, let me know.
Hey, roger that. It's going to be after the roll. A little bit of surprise for my students.
Okay, are you going to be departing, or you just want to go down the runway and come back?
We will be departing. We're just going to start a roll and stop. Basically a stop and go and then take off.
November 64657, proceed on course, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff, advise roll.
Proceed on course, 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff. We'll let you know on our roll. 646.
November 657, roger, and if you would, turn right southbound for me.
Right southbound.
Spirit Tower, Commerce Bank 1, visual 8 right.
Commerce Bank 1, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right. You're clear to land. Slow it up for me if you can.
8 right, we'll slow it up.
November 9 Sierra Golf, affirmative, runway 8 right, you are cleared to land. And that helicopter gets about your 11 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, 2000.
Okay, clear to land, 8 right, look for traffic.
Commerce Lake 1, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, full length clear for takeoff.
Turn 150, clear for takeoff, 8 right, copy.
Down 01, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, full length clear for takeoff, change to departure.
Alright, out of departure right 150, 3000, switching, copy dog 01.
Track 380, turn right heading 180, runway 8 right at Alpha 10, clear for takeoff.
Turn right heading 180, 8 right at Alpha 10, good takeoff, clear takeoff.
November 370, Sierra Papa, fly runway heading, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading for runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, 370, Sierra Papa.
November 506, Mike Whiskey, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, full length clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading 8 right, clear for takeoff, 6 Mike Whiskey.
Pitch at 396, Spirit Tower, you ready to go?
Ready, pitch at 396.
Pitch at 396, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, pitch at 396.